how to fix Flickr account storage limit error. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is delete any excess media, free up space by removing older or duplicate photos to get under the free 1,000 photo limit, right? So of course, you know that Flickr only have the limit of 1,000 photo limit for free. So if you want more space than that, then you'll actually need to upgrade to Flickr Pro. So what you're going to do is upgrade your subscription to unlock the unlimited storage in Flickr. So after doing that here, now another thing that you can do, very last thing that I suggest you guys do, is export the media. What you're going to do is use the Flickr's account data download tool in order to archive your photos locally into any of your hard disk or something like that. And then you can again use your free photo limit for up to 1,000 photos, and then again transfer it to your hard disk and store your photos locally, and then again get your 1,000 limits and do that. And I'm pretty sure that will actually help you fix that Flickr account storage limit error. So yeah, that's it.